Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the 16-character Robux gift code and signing into the Roblox account that should receive the credit. Open your laptop browser and go to the Roblox site, log in with your username and password, and make sure you're using the account intended for the Robux. Once signed in, check that your account's country/region matches the gift card's country, because region mismatches can block redemption. With these prerequisites met, move to the Redeem page now. Once on the Redeem gift card page, you'll enter the full 16-character code. You should copy and paste to avoid mistakes. Make sure there are no extra spaces before or after. After pasting, click Redeem and wait for the confirmation message. The site will tell you whether Robux or credit was added. If the site asks to convert credit to Robux, follow the prompts and confirm the amount. Make sure to note the updated balance before leaving the page. To finish, verify the newly added Robux or credit in your account balance and refresh the page to ensure it persists. If you encounter an error, first re-enter the code carefully, then clear your browser cache or try an incognito window. Sometimes cookies block the transaction. If problems continue, take a clear screenshot of the code and error message and contact Roblox support for assistance. Include the screenshot and purchase proof. This helps resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.